Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram post stuck on preparing. So in this case, whenever you are posting something on Instagram and you get this issue here that your post being stuck in preparing, it can be kind of annoying because if you want to post something immediately and this issue here, so there are few ways for you to actually solve this problem. So the leading cause for this problem is your internet connection. So sometimes if you have a fairly slow internet connection, then this problem can occur. Now the direct solution for that is try changing your internet connection. For example, if you are using your mobile data, switch to a Wi-Fi connection, or if you are using a Wi-Fi connection, change to a mobile data. Changing your internet connection and making sure that you have a stable or fast internet connection can actually solve this issue. But if your internet connection is fairly fast, then sometimes the issue itself is from Instagram. Now typically you just open any browser here and just simply type this, is Instagram down, and you should see the down detector page here. Now whenever you click on this, it should be able to see the current status of the Instagram. As you can see, there is going to be some or minor points of issues in Instagram lately. So in this case, if you see a big spike here, it means that you are not the only one experiencing that problem, and a lot of people are actually experiencing that problem. Now in this case, if you see that big spike, usually it would actually resolve itself. So make sure to update your Instagram application here as much as you can if you have to go to visit Google Play Store. But in this case, if you see there is no issues right now on Instagram, there is a few things that you can do to your settings to solve this issue. So just open up the Instagram application here, tap on the profile picture in the top right corner, and then go for these three bars in the top right corner, and then scroll down all the way to the bottom, and you should see the option data usage and media quality. Tap on it, and as you can see, upload at highest quality is turned on. Now sometimes turning this off can actually solve this issue, but in this case, once you have done that, and see if that solves this issue. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.